Depending on the stack, your stack may require a way to navigate it up and down. This is achievable with a spiral staircase circling around the stack. To get started, go to the Attachment menu and select Spiral Staircase. The top and bottom elevations dictate where the staircase starts and ends. Start angle determines the angle on the stack where the staircase will begin. Rotation direction lets you determine whether your staircase will be clockwise or counterclockwise. Standoff is the distance between the stairs and the stack itself. Clicking on steps will allow us to change the settings and values for all the steps in your staircase. The height and step count are already generated based on your input, so no work is required here. Step radial width changes the width of each step to the specified value. Step thickness determines the vertical height of each stair. Step vertical rise determines the vertical distance between each step. Step depth determines the depth of your step. Below that are weights and calculations that you can fill out on your own discretion. Going back to our table, the next we have is handrails. The top handrail height determines the height of the handrail from the stairs. Top handrail diameter represents the diameter/width of the handrail. On middle handrail count, you can decide to have no additional handrails, or you can have one or two more. Like the top handrail, you can decide the diameter of these as well. A handrail post is a post that helps keep the handrails stable and safe. The longer your stack is, you will likely need more posts. You can of course change the width/diameter of these posts. You can also decide how many posts are needed for your stack. Similar to steps, we have weights and formulas below, most of which are already entered. Back at our table, we have the Stringers button. First, we can decide whether we want inner stringers, outer stringers, or both. You can also decide to change the thickness and height for the inner stringer or for the outer stringer. Back to the table, we arrive at the Supports button. You can determine the width, height, and length of the supports. The stair support count lets you choose the amount of supports you want. You can choose to skip the lowest location on the stack. Finally, you can override the weight and wind areas if desired.